Hi friends, welcome to a new video of Masters Academy RRB NTPC exam 2020 part 3 video. In this video, let us look on to some topics on general intelligence and reasoning, prepared by Santosh Kumar PK and Parmeshwarapayan of Masters Academy. RRB NTPC 2020 exam preparation strategy, important general intelligence and reasoning topics for 30 marks. So CBT, that is computer based test 1 exam, will consist of objective multiple choice questions MCQs of 30 marks from general intelligence and reasoning topics. General intelligence and reasoning is considered to be one of the highest scoring sections of the RRB NTPC 2020 CBT1 exam. This section will test your ability to think and solve problems. The questions asked in this section are mainly brain teasers and sometimes can be quite tricky to answer. General intelligence and reasoning section will be of 30 marks in RRB NTPC 2020 CBT1 exam, consisting of objective multiple choice questions. So mainly they will be brain teasers and sometimes can be quite tricky to answer. So topics and subtopics. Topic, series, subtopics, analogy, both word based and numerical, odd pair, both word based and numerical, classification, missing characters. Topic, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding, example, name is written as GFDN, then mean is written as, that is, there will be a different coding and decoding pattern. Symbols, mathematical operations. Next, arrangement, seating arrangement, both linear and circular, blood relations, banking, puzzles, and direction sense. Next topic, logic, syllogism, Venn diagrams, statement assumption, statement conclusion, statement courses of action, data sufficiency, and that is decision making. Miscellaneous, clock, calendar, non-verbal, cube and dices, predicting colors or numbers on the faces of the object, sequence of figures, matrix, finding missing numbers or letters, paper cutting, folding, punching, mirrors and water reflection, configuration, fitting pieces, odd pieces, etc. Let's analyze in detail the general intelligence and reasoning topics mentioned in the above table. First, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding basically judges the candidate's ability to decipher the code language. In each question of this topic, a word or a coded form of the word will be given. Students are required to decode the logic behind this coding and then apply the same logic to another given word for finding the answer in the form of code. Second one, arrangement. Questions based on seating arrangements are one of the most common and important questions in the logical reasoning segment. In this type of question, some people are arranged in a circle. They may be standing or even sitting around a circular table. The other topics covered under this segment are blood relations, ranking, puzzles, and direction sense. Logic based. Questions based on logic requires critical thinking and need a lot of time to solve. In the case of syllogism questions, draw Venn diagrams to avoid confusion. Next, miscellaneous. Questions from topics like clock and calendar are sometimes asked in the CBT1 exam. Non-verbal. This segment covers topics like pictorial analogies, symbol series, symbolic operations, numeric patterns, spatial relations, space visualizations, spatial reasoning, mirror image and space image are examples of questions. Tips to score high marks in general intelligence and reasoning section. Let's look at some ways through which you will be able to ace the general intelligence and reasoning section of the RRB NTPC 2020 exam. Improve your logical skills. As this section tests candidates' ability to think and problem solving skills, therefore it is required by the students to sharpen their logical and analytical skills. Command over concepts. Both verbal and non-verbal types of concepts should be focused on by the candidates. The understanding of direction should be accurate, that is identifying which direction is west, north, east and south. Series is the most important topic, but it is also very difficult to master. Practice previous year question papers. Try to practice as much previous papers as you can, but don't forget to follow the current structure of the exam, as exam pattern keeps on changing from time to time. Build a proper study plan. Follow a proper strategy and a timetable for all the sections of the following paper. Follow a proper strategy and a timetable for all the sections of the question paper. Don't make unnecessary assumptions. Always remember that the given question will be solved by the data given only. Don't make unnecessary assumptions or judgment while solving the problem. Use smart and appropriate tricks and methods for solving any problem. RRB NTPC exam topics and tips on mathematics will be uploaded in the next video. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.